Shabbat Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Makakadash. Shalom to the elders of Weary Millstone for Christian word, truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered the four corners of the globe, Christian word, truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from MSN.com and Reuters.com. And keep this in mind, this was around the same areas where you had a recent magnitude of a 6.2 earthquake, and then previously a 7.2 or 7.1 magnitude earthquake near the Tonga Islands, and this latest earthquake, this was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake in South Tonga. And it says, this was published by Reuters 10 minutes ago, and it reads, says magnitude of a 5.1 earthquake struck south of Tonga. The EMSC says an earthquake of a magnitude 5.1 struck south of Tonga on Monday, a little after 6 a.m. local time. The European Mediterranean Semi-Alpine Century EMSC says the quake struck at a depth of 2 kilometers and 1.2 miles. The EMSC says it came hours after a 5.7 magnitude quake in the same region. It says the EMSC earlier said the quake had a magnitude of a 5.6 and with a depth of 8 kilometers. This is the book of Luke, chapter Luke chapter 21 verse 11, and this is from BibleGateway.com through the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, "And a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven." Isaiah 29:6. This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 29 and verse 6. "Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake, and great noise with storms and tempests and flames of iron fire." Right, so we're definitely seeing the increasing of these earthquakes in diverse places. Especially recent earthquakes been taking place over there near Tonga and by Tonga as well too. You know, near Tonga. Now the south part of Tonga got hit with a 5.1 earthquake. Just like the recent earthquakes, like I mentioned before, it got, the earthquakes got near Tonga. I believe it's a 6.2 magnitude earthquake, then a 7.1 magnitude of an earthquake, and then it has I believe it was 2 earthquakes over there in Tonga that had felt over there. As of Monday at 6 a.m., as I was reading the article, because the first earthquake reporting, it was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake, and then a couple of hours later it was a 5.7 magnitude on the earthquake 2 hours later on Monday morning, because the time zones are kind of different from over there in that region and over here in the United States. So those, just like the scriptures that I've just been bringing out, the Isaiah 29:6, Luke 21:11, we seeing these earthquakes in diverse places, and these are prime examples that we are. So these are prime examples that we are going to see more increasing earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article of magnitude of a 5.1 earthquake struck south of Tonga, and the previous ones that got hit over there near the region over there as well too. So with that, this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Karkadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I would say shalom. Shabbat shalom.